Welcome to Euron everyone. My name is Anshu Kumar and today I'll be talking about a very important thing for all of you. So yesterday we have released a system. So where in a chat mode, in a API mode for a coding and for everything. So wherever you need a LLM access, all the premium LLM access from Anthropic, from a Grook, from OpenAI, from a Gemini, from Servam, everywhere, right? You will be able to access it in a pay as you go basis. You don't have to go and pay for like a fixed price like a $20, $100 or $200, something like that, right? You don't have to even do that. Now, so here many people came to me and said that how I will be able to use an API key inside a VS Code so that I will be able to do a coding. And that is something which I am going to explain you. That is something which I am going to show you in a detailed manner. So let's say we have these models which is available to me, right? Anthropic, from Meta, from Servam, from Grook, right? All of these models are available to me, and I would like to use these models in a different way with respect to a coding in a agentic manner, basically, right? I would like to use it. So let's say I'll just try to open up a VS Code and I'll try to create one new folder. So let's say Euri API key test project. Yeah. So I have just created a folder over here, and inside this, what I can do, so I can try to go and install one of the extension, which is very amazing one, again in demand. So CLINE Cline, basically. So I can search for that and then I can try to install it. Again, installation wise, so it's a 3.2 million installation that people have done across approximately 3.3 million people are using it. So just imagine it is having a huge, basically like a base, by the way, and actively they are doing a development. As you can see, latest push they have done 11 hours ago only. So it's under like a active development, and since last 2 years, people are building it. So it's a very amazing one, by the way. Yeah. So now what we can do, so I have already installed this client and I can go and I can try to configure it. So I can click on client and then I can try to configure it. Now to configure it, so it supports OpenAI compatible, right? And all the model that we have. So we have basically created an adapter by which we have made every model that we are providing via Euron, right? OpenAI compatible, whether it's Anthropic, whether it's a Group, whether it's a Gemini, whether it's a model from OpenAI itself. So you can go and select OpenAI compatible, very simple. Then you have to write a base URL, OpenAI compatible API key and model ID. Let's go ahead, let's do it one by one. So what is the base URL? You can go to a documentation and then here inside a cursor documentation that we have created. So you can try to copy this URL, right? And here, this is your base URL. So this is the base URL I have given. Now, once this base URL is given, then you have to give a API key. So from where I can get the API key? Simple, one tap basically. So I can click on this API key and then I can click on this create. I can give any name over here and then I can click on create. In no time, my API key will be created. So done. Now let's go ahead and let's try to put this API key. Yeah. Now model ID or model, whichever model I would like to use it, I can use it. So let's say I would like to use Anthropic Opus 4.6 model. So for every model, you will be able to see a model ID. So let's say I'm going to copy this model, right? I will be using this model. So I can try to basically paste this particular model. I can use a model, different model for planning, different model for acting as well. That option is also available over here. I'll be talking about that in a later stage. But yeah, I think now it's like looks good and yeah, everything must be working. So click on done. Yeah. And it is having all the advanced feature like a cursor. So don't worry about it. Plus with your own model, you can try to use it. So here I can try to say that create a beautiful calculator for me just for the testing purpose. Create an amazing scientific calculator for me. Yeah. Just this much. And let's hit and let's see. So how it is able to proceed and whether I will be able to create my calculator or not. Yeah. And it is going to give you all the steps. It is going to even execute, access your terminal, execute the command, do the installation. So means everything, it is going to do it in an autonomous mode, thus the way any other things are going to work or behave. Okay, so yeah, it is trying to generate my code, as you can see. So created a CSS styling, beautiful modern UI, and many more things. Step by step manner it is trying to create. Yeah, so we will wait for it. So it has created my JavaScript file as well, a CSS and HTML file, and I believe now okay, so it is testing my calculator inside a browser, as you can see, automatically, right? Automatically, it is trying to test it, each and everything inside a agentic mode in a browser, by the way. Yeah. So looks amazing to me, by the way, guys. Yeah. So I think yes. So it is trying to do a calculation, and then after running a test, it is going to give it to me. So yeah, with the help of Euri API, so we are able to write a code. We are able to even like do a testing, and as you can see, live testing is going on. My agents are doing a testing. I'm like sitting ideal over here. I'm not doing anything. Yeah. So browser action, close browser, fine. Now it is again thinking. It is trying to replace some of this logic. So basically, it is trying to fix a bug. So while doing a testing, so it got some sort of a bug, and yeah, so automatically it is trying to close the bug. Automatically, it is trying to like test it once again. By the way, in a agentic mode. So that's a pretty amazing feature, which agents are able to do it automatically without uh, bugging me or without even burning my time and energy. So looks like amazing to me. Hmm. So again, fixing the issues. So again, it is trying to test, it seems. So now it is able to fix a bug, it looks like, which is amazing. So everything is working perfectly. The history panel shows sign 30005. Calculator is fully functional. Let me close the browser. So calculator is working fully. Let me present the final result. Okay. Okay. So basically full arithmetic functionality is there. Again, it is doing some sort of verification. Okay. So all task is completed. Okay. So now it is trying to verify my files. So yeah, it looks like a pretty much amazing when a system is like able to handle each and everything automatically, right? You can go and you can try to and see it has launched this entire calculator after doing a testing in my browser. So amazing, right? Amazing in terms of building like anything big or anything small. I think now we all can build it in a easiest possible manner, right? Easiest possible manner. So yeah, looks like amazing to me, and hope all of you have enjoyed this Euri API and a Cline combination, which is lethal, right? Which is lethal. You can go, you can try to use your own API. Not just that, you will be able to even track your entire users, by the way. So whatever I have done, whatsoever, like API I have used, whatever API that I have consumed, whatever token that I have consumed, I can keep track of each and everything, right? I can keep track of each and everything. So in the similar manner, you can try to use any of these models, which is available over here. And yeah, so let me know about your feedback. Let me know about your thoughts. I'm here to help you out. We are building more and more for all of you so that, with ease, you all will be able to access all the latest and modern system. Like, uh, like a monthly subscription should not create a barrier in your learning or in your building journey. So with that, thank you so much everyone. Take care. See you again in my next video.